Welcome friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of DHTML. In this tutorial, we'll learn about validating text field using DHTML. So our aim here is that we will provide a password field and then check for the length of a password. If the password does not satisfy the minimum length requirement, we will show an alert message and notify the user. So it will be done using DHTML functions. So inside the script we define a function named checkLength. If you are new to functions in DHTML, please check our previous tutorial on functions. Function checkLength. Now we are defining a variable called input which gets its value using document.getElement by id dot value. So this method retrieves the value of the element having id pwd. Then we measure the length of that input using input.length. So we declare a variable called len and measure the length of the input string. As we know, string.length method provides us with the length of a particular string. Then we check if the length is less than 6. If length is less than 6, then show an alert box. Minimum length is 6, else show success and tell them it is okay. Then end the function and the JavaScript. Inside the body, define a form, then provide a password field. So input type is equal to password, name of the field is password, the id is pwd. This is the id that we have mentioned in JavaScript, and on clicking, so this is it. Then we provide the submit button. On clicking the submit button, we check the length of the password. So input type submit, name of the field is submit, the value is check me. On clicking the button, we are calling the function checkLength. Then close the form tag and the body, and then save the file. So let us preview the script into a browser. This is the output. So if we provide a random input of the length less than 6, it will give us an error message. Here it says that minimum length should be at least 6, and if the length is more than 6, then it will show the message okay here. So here we learned how to validate a field using DHTML. Thank you.